Hi everyone, welcome to Smart Semester's Python programming playlist. In this video, we will go through advanced data types available in Python. There are four advanced data types available in Python. They are list, set, tuple, and dictionary. Let's go through each of these data type in detail. First one, list. Let's see the definition. List is a built-in data structure used to store an ordered mutable collection of items. What is the meaning of ordered? What is the meaning of mutable? We will go through it. But list is a collection of items. It's not a single value that we can store in list. For example, if we declared a variable a, it can store only one value. Let's say we are storing 10 in it. If we want to store a new value, this 10 will get overridden and a new value, let's suppose 30, will get stored. But all these advanced data types are capable of storing multiple items. That is why they are known as data structures that are capable to store collection of items, meaning at a given point of time they can store multiple values. Let's see how. List. To define a list we will use square braces. So list 1 is a variable and braces represents we are declaring a list. List can hold multiple values at once, like this: 10, 30. List 1 is a variable of type list having 10 and 30 as its elements. Individual values in any data type, either it can be list, set, tuple, or dictionary, they are treated as elements. So 10 is an element, 30 is an element. In this way, we declare a list with square braces where each element is separated by a comma. List is heterogeneous, meaning it does not hold all the elements of single data type. It is capable of holding elements of different data types also. Let's say first element is of int data type. Second element can be a string data type. Third element can be a float data type. In this way, list can hold elements of different data types. That is why it is known as heterogeneous. Second important feature of list is it is ordered. Ordered means index can be applied over the elements of the list. We will discuss about indexing in detail in the upcoming videos, but for now, indexing starts from 0. First element will be given index 0 and so on, 1, 2. If you want to access hello, you can write list 1 of 1. So you can randomly access elements of list using index. It is known as ordered. Third important feature of list is mutable. If you want to add a new element to the existing list, it is possible. You have to just say which element you want to add using append function. List 1 dot append, you want to add a new element whose value is 40. If you say list 1 dot append 40, this list will get increased and 40 will get added to the existing list like this. In the index 3, 40 will get added. Mutable means we can change, we can add or delete elements from that data type. It is known as, then that data type will be treated as mutable. Since we are capable of adding, you can also remove elements using remove function. If you specify 3.5 here, it will remove 3.5 element from this list. In this way, using append and remove, we can add or delete elements of list. When we discuss each of these data types in detail, I will go through multiple built-in functions available for each data type. This is just an introductory video for advanced data types available in Python. And fourth important feature of list is duplicates. It allows duplicate values. You can store multiple elements with same value. Let's say I am storing four values, four elements, each of type into data, and each value is 10. Let's say I'm storing in list 2. Like this, every element can be same and duplicates are allowed. Because why duplicates are allowed means, when you access, when you want to access second 10, you have indexing, right? 0, 1, 2, 3. If you print list 2 of 1, you will get 10. Since every element has its own index, duplicates are allowed in list. This is all about the list data type in Python. Second important data type, advanced data type available in Python is tuple. It is almost similar to list, only one difference is it is immutable, meaning you cannot add or remove elements from the tuple once it is declared. That is the basic difference between list and tuple. Tuple is represented by round braces. If you want to declare a tuple, let's say tuple 1 equals to 1 2 3, like this, you can declare a tuple. Tuple is similar to list. It also holds multiple data types, ordered. Every first element will have index 1, second element will have index 2, and so on. If you want to access third element, you have to write tuple 1 of 2. This will give 3. Tuple is ordered. Tuple is immutable, meaning once tuple is declared, you cannot add or you cannot remove elements from this tuple. If you try to do, interpreter throws an error. That is the basic difference between list and tuple. List is mutable, tuple is immutable. Tuple allows duplicate values. You can store two elements with same values. Tuple will not throw an error. This is all about tuple data type. Third advanced data type available in Python is set. Set is an unordered. This is the basic difference between list, tuple, and set. Both list and tuple are ordered. Set is an unordered collection of unique elements. It does not allow duplicates. Set is defined using curly braces. If you want to declare a set, let's say set1 is a variable, and you have to use curly braces. 1 2 3 4. You can also store different data types also, like string, float. Set is heterogeneous in nature. In this way, you declare set using curly braces and each element is separated by comma. Unordered, meaning each element does not have its own index. If you try to access 2, what you have to do, 0 1 2, set 1 of 1. If you write set 1 of 1, interpreter throws an error because set is unordered. Even if you try to print set 1, it, no one can guarantee that all these elements will come in the exact order as you declared. Since set is unordered, these elements can interchange by themselves. That is the meaning of unordered. Mutable, you can add or delete new elements from the set using add method. Please be noted, in list we have append. For set we have to use add 20. If you write set 1 dot add 20, 20 will be the new value that gets added to the set 1 variable. In this way, set is mutable in nature. When we discuss set in detail, I will go through multiple built-in functions available for set. Right now, remember, set is mutable, that can be achieved using add function. Heterogeneous, as I said, it can store multiple data types, no duplicates. You cannot store elements of same values. Let's say set 1 equals to 1 comma 1. Python interpreter allows you to declare, but when you try to print value of set 1, Python will discard the second duplicate element and returns only 1 as element of the set. It does not allow duplicate values. This is all about the set data. Final data type, advanced data type available in Python is dictionary. It is somewhat different from other three data types. It stores values in key value pairs, meaning there will be a key and for each key its associated value separated by colon, and each key value pairs are separated by comma, and all key value pairs are enclosed within curly braces. In this way, we declare a dictionary. Let's declare a simple dictionary. Dict1 equals to, first we have to give a key. For that key, we have to assign a specific value. You can assign any type of value and you can use any data type as the key. Even you can use string as value as key, and you can assign a list as value. In this way, you can declare dictionary. A key and its value separated by colon, each key value are separated by comma, all key value pairs are enclosed within curly braces. In this way, you declare a dictionary. As I said, I am using different data types, so it is heterogeneous. Mutable. Mutable means you can add or delete values from the dictionary. If you want to add a new element to this dictionary, you have to use key value pairs. Let's say I want to add key with 2 and its value is hello. Now how dict1 becomes, dict1 will become 1. These are the existing elements. Hi is the key, 1 2 is its value. Now the new key value pairs will get added at the end. In this way, like this, you can add or remove values from the dictionary. And the important point that we have to keep in mind is keys should be unique. All the keys should be unique. It is obvious, right? When you try to print dict1 of hi, Python will see each key, and since hi matches with this key, it will print 1 comma 2 as its value. Let's suppose you have another key with the same value hi, and its value, let's say 1 comma 2 comma 3 within the same dictionary. Now when you try to access a value whose key is high, interpreter will get confused. Which value should I return? Should I have to return 1 2 or should I have to return 1 2 3? To avoid this confusion, every key should be unique and values can be same. You can declare here 1 comma 2 itself, but keys should be unique, values can be the same. In this way, dictionary works in Python. If we sum up all the data types available in Python. This tree shows every data type available in Python. Number, under number we have int, float, complex data types, dictionary, boolean, set, and sequence. Sequence we have strings, list, and tuple. In the next video, we will discuss about typecasting in detail. If you have any doubts regarding these data types, both primary and advanced, you can use comment section. I will clarify your doubts. Thank you.